Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX first generation, as you know, these two vehicles, guys, they share the same platform. Many of the components, designs are the same. So if guys, you have one of those vehicles and your rear door, rear left or rear right door does not open from inside, stay with us guys and we'll explain what can cause that now guys and the top reasons, and we'll explain how to know what's wrong. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including guys this Ford Edge here guys, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why? Simply guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully we'll be able to teach you guys how to fix your car for free. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Now this here guys, it's a 2009 Ford Edge that we're talking about. 2009 Ford Edge. Will demonstrate on the rear left door, but the rear right door will be the same way as well. So now we have everything taken completely apart. If you want to see how to get up to here, the video is on the channel. Just look for rear door lock actuator replacement on Ford Edge on our channel and you'll be able to find it guys. Now once you pull it out, okay, let me show you. This is the design. I cannot actually come this way, so let's flip it a little bit, okay, like that, so I can fit. Now this guys is the exterior door handle. Now the interior door handle is right here guys. Things that can go wrong. Okay, let's start first. Now you can see there is a cable that activates the release guys, release cable. So if that cable breaks right here, that's a weak spot sometimes, or the interior door handle breaks, it's not going to open guys because it will not pull it. Another thing, okay, if that cable is loose right here, it may just slide out. It will not be able, okay, you won't be able to activate the door lock actuator because that cable will not be stuck here, and as a result guys, what will happen, okay, it will not pull the door lock actuator. Now this is guys the door lock actuator, and that interior door handle comes all the way to here, and this is it right there guys. This is the cable. Now you can open it and see it on the inside. Cable is pretty simple guys, it just attaches right here. Now if guys, okay, if you do not have any resistance on the handle, most likely you have a broken cable here or here guys, where it attaches to the door lock actuator. In other cases guys, okay, in other cases, if everything else goes good, okay, always check your lock, safety lock for the kids guys, okay, child safety lock. If this one is activated, you won't be able to open your door from the inside guys. Let us show you now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and manually lock the door now. Okay, check it out. Now nothing guys, nothing happens. So you need to go ahead and deactivate your door lock. Some people will forget about that. The safety lock for the kids guys, you can see still nothing. Okay, let's see which way I need to go now. Sometimes that thing can get stuck guys, so move it a little bit, okay, like that, it should be placed. So if I lock it now, let's give it a try one more time. Okay, it works now. This button sometimes gets stuck. Sometimes the mechanism here will get stuck, and very common reason is a bad door lock actuator. The whole door lock actuator, we'll have the video on the channel guys, what needs to be done to remove it and replace it. Also we'll have the link in the description of the video below if you need to check it out. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful and it will teach you how to do that guys, and if your door does not open from the inside, you will know what to do. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.